This week the fire kitchen got some drainage, some trenches dug, more drainage. This weekend we actually cleared a load of stuff here where we're going to build the fire kitchen, and what we're going to do today is unbox some things that arrived and then start just to measure out where we're going to put the drainage and things like that. Just need to cut around. So here we have our T-junction. How smart these ones look. And so here is where we should have some pieces. Brilliant. A full box of drains. Brilliant. The edge, that's it. And then down to the floor. End of the barn. To here. Try and keep it square to the.
Yeah, right.
That's cool. So we know that was good as well. So we're going to take that in.
And then this one just goes in like maybe all the it's like trim it.
This is family update at the weekend. We did a load of this together. This is where we're up to now with the build. So the drains arrived, we laid them out. We kind of measured this string line. We're going to get everything the right height for the drains. The next job really, bury this corner drain in, to dig around this pipe over here to connect it. Only issue is the heat. It's going to be 30 degrees plus this week, so I'm only going to be able to come out in the mornings and the evenings to do any. Good morning. It is early in the morning because it's so hot that I've come out at stupid o'clock to do this next piece of work. We have been working here, not on camera, so I've had my son in particular really wanted to do some digging, so between him and his granddad, they dug some of the channel here for the main drainage. Today we're going to finish off digging this. We'll probably clear all this area. We did some measuring what level is and things. So we'll move all that, we'll get rid of the green, we'll dig that, we'll dig along there, and then hopefully that'll be enough for today. But we had a delivery of sub-base. We can use this, so it's mixed size shingle gravel. It's called Mott 1 in the UK. Put this down, we'll whacker it, it'll be a sub-base. Stony sand to make some concrete for the slabs. Gonna load a wheelbarrow to help level out this drain next. So what I want to do next is just measure and cut for this drop, so we need to know where we want everything. So this drain, about there, and it's got a corner, and it's there, so I want to make that as short as possible. That is connected. When this comes on, it is there. fixing this mat to get this. Working on it, but this had here. Do we have a drop? Nope. Yes, we have a drop. So that's this morning done. Take the son to school and it's going to get hot today, so it's a good bit of effort that. It drops, we're going to have drainage. Ground is going to be quite high up. The drop here is the right level, that now drops into that one, so I think we're good for the drains. Just going to crack on it. So the battery died, or it overheated again in the heat. But I did clear a lot more of the gravel. Started just to work out how high do we need to put the first level of mop. We'll basically base it off this layout. Full level will be up to the same height as this. All the roots, everything's been dug out, and then I will show you my mound of topsoil. It's getting bigger every time we look at it.